Okay, and we'll have a short unboxing, not to bore you. Inside we have the handheld shower head. The actual shower head itself, and you can see there's a valve on the side. You can change 3 positions, and you want to make sure that there's a gasket. You have the instruction sheet and the flexible hose, and that's all that's in the box. Now it's time to install the new shower head. First thing you do is you take off the old shower head, so you're left with what's called a shower arm. You want to clean the shower arm from any debris. Any excess debris on there will cause you leak problems. I'm using a wire brush. It's a brass wire brush, not a steel. So I'm not harming anything, just removing any debris. So you take your new shower head and you want to check to see that you have your washer, and you want to carefully screw it onto the shower head. You want to make sure you're not crossing any threads, because you only get one shot at crossing threads or not. You can see that there's a minimum clearance in my case, but I am able to rotate the head and get it seated properly. You want to get your shower head tight, but you do not want to over tighten it. After hand tightening, you can use a 5/16 wrench to hold the ball, but not to tighten. Hand tighten only, and align your new shower head. Alright, so the next step is we grab our flexible hose, and we want to check to make sure that we have our gaskets, our washer, and hand tighten it to the base of our new shower head. No wrench is needed. And the other end we want to hand tighten, attach to our handheld shower wand. It has a little detent that attaches to that little clip I'm pointing at. It's magnetic, and it snaps right in and holds tightly. Very nice. Having completed the installation, it's time to test it. Turning on the water, I have no leaks, and the main spray head is operating. Let's try the handheld. Just flip the knob and you get the handheld wand working. And if you take the knob and you go to the middle position, you get both, and you can combine the spray heads. I found that the knob to switch between the spray heads is quite smooth. I have experienced others that are not so smooth that you actually need to hold it with 2 hands. So, job complete. Looks like it works very well.